Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have another unboxing. One piece in here isn't shaving related at all, but the other is. So these are bought from South Australia, out in the country there. Someone's gone to excellent, that's amazing packaging for protection. Like solid cardboard rolls there. No damage at all. So for the razor I've bought, I appreciate that. The other stuff I thought would have been safe, as it's all brass. So I don't know which roll's which, so bear with me a second here as I rightio. Put the knife down. It's like a Christmas cracker. I might keep them, they're a good idea. Alright, so this is the uninteresting bit. And they're just door handles. Just handles for cupboards, for drawers. Funny thing is, I've got a chest of drawers or whatever. It's a mix of handles, and these were actually on there. So one was broken, so I thought, yeah, why not? I'll replace it. It was just, I didn't go out of my way to get this. It just presented itself. So let's get on to the money shot. This is what we're all here for. Obviously they don't trust Australia Post to do the right thing. Okay. Christmas cracker again. Now this isn't a Gillette. Here we go. Hang on. Get my clock. 9th 97 NT. Northern Territory. Well, there it is. It's a Ronson. That's a really nice case, isn't it? Obviously this is a bit dirty now, and I really don't want to go there trying to clean it. I don't know how attached the ink is to this case. That's really nice presentation. Really nice Art Deco design on it. So, a lot of you already know about Ronson, and some of you don't. I know just a little bit from what I've watched on other channels. This came up and I thought I would have a go. So for blades, and out she comes. So that's a stropper. Oh, there's a blade in there. So, hopefully that'll all just clean out. So apparently that undoes, and it does. Hope you can see that. Not sure if it comes all the way out or not. It does. A bit tricky with that blade in there. So I wonder if that's an original Ronson blade. One would think it is. There is some writing there. Let me try and get the right light. I don't know if it'll show up on the camera or not. Helps when it's up the right way. It is. Ronson patent razor. Stainless steel, made in Sheffield, England. Probably where, I get it. Like, I've seen it in different industries. I saw it in the adult game with DVD exchanging. Shops would go, no, you just got to exchange our DVDs and bring them back. Well, that was their downfall because it really limited their customer base. And it's the same with these razors. Like Ronson have made a razor, a double-edged razor that pretty much won't work anywhere else. And other, like Gillette blades, for example, and plenty of other double edge won't work in here. So they really shot themselves in the foot. If you could have just dropped a Gillette blade in here, I'm sure there's a likelihood that this razor would have got a lot more love and a lot more life. So apparently something lifts up and spins. Now we've got movement there. Look, I'm going to... hang on. The handle undoes. Oh, and there's a spring. The spring is in good condition. Nice. I'll be able to pull this apart to clean it. Right. Now we've done that, I feel more confident. That's it. So apparently you lifted it up. I think that's where you put the blade in, or the blade would spin. And then you turn it right around and then bang-o. You sharpen up the edge you've just used. Isn't that interesting? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do this again. Let's put this blade back. Okay, so that spins. There we go. I will endeavour to try and shave with this one day. It won't be with that blade, of course. I've seen people just modify double-edged blades to fit in there, but you can see there where the blade is up against the honing mechanism, or sharpening mechanism. Stropping is the word I wanted. You see there, it does run along the blade. Don't know if that's visible on the camera or not. Interesting stuff. So that's the Ronson. And I have to give this a good clean up. I'll keep that blade. One of the few, if any, used blades I keep, because that's you don't see too many Ronson blades floating around. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So there it is. Very interesting razor, and one that I had real no interest in buying. I've had a few chances over the last few years, and then this one popped up, right time, right place, and I thought, why not? Alright, thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you next time on another unboxing. Ciao for now.